Really, thank you, and thank you for the patience. So my name is Shweta. I'll be talking today about the Figma. It's a plugin which is integrated with the Notion database, and I am a front-end developer working in a Foolproof, which is a Zensar company. I also do work on the React Native applications as well, mobile applications. I have a bit of a knowledge of the Node.js as well. So that's all about me. So yeah, so the when like I being a front end developer, I do work with the designers very closely, and usually they give prototypes, which is the wireframes, and we would be developing the UI according to that. So. But yeah, there was a kind of a issue they were facing, which was they have to update the data from any a tool like a Notion or a Miro or a this spreadsheet, and it was kind of very difficult to maintain the content. So here the developers, we jumped in that we thought, let's just connect these two and let's make it a little bit easier. So yeah, I'll just explain in a brief. Figma, it's just a browser based user interface tool which can be used to have interactive prototypes. And Notion is a workspace which is vastly used for the note taking and file management and data management. Also, it is useful for students as well. And so here this image is combining forces, not only the Figma and Notion, but designers and the developers, so that we can make our lives easier for both of us, designers as well as the developers. So yeah, let's start. So we'll start with the basic requirements, which is we need to download some tools and installations. So first one is a Figma desktop application, and the second one is a very basic. I am sure that everybody has it. It's a VS Code. Third one is the Node. And you will need to have a Notion account. It's a web-based, so you can just operate it from your browser itself. So the next step would be creating a plugin. So I'll just go through the slides, and I'll just give a demo side by side. So you can just open your desktop, Figma desktop application. Go to the home page, get a new file, I hope it loads. Then go to the plugins, go to the development, and create a new plugin. So I actually have it. So and new plugins. So give it a name, maybe City.js. You can choose whichever is you as per your preference. And next, and once you save it, it will give you the basic application, like a basic Figma plugin. It is same as how you do the create. Once you do the create React application or the Angular application, you will get a basic code of that application. So it's the same. You can relate to that. And next would be if you already have a plugin, you just need to import the manifest.json file into your desktop application. It would be from this import manifest, import the file. And once it is imported, you will get that those plugins here listed on top of the list. So you can just run it. You can just click on it and it will run. Yeah. So next is how to build and run the application. It's a very simple. It's a normal JavaScript application. So just open the code, and if you open the package.json file, you will find these commands. Like first, you will need to install the dependencies, do the npm install, and second would be build the application, and to run the application it would be npm run watch. So sorry. Yeah, I mean, by the time the application runs, we will get to know a few things, the few very basic and which are kind of required to get started with the Figma is the Figma global object. You can relate this to this object in the JavaScript. How like we can access this dot window or this dot document. The same way in a Figma, you can access all the plugin APIs by the Figma object itself, all the major plugin APIs. So I have added these documents links in the presentation, but yeah, I will just show it to you as well. I think, yeah, these are the global objects, and these are all the plugin APIs. You can just here you can see figma.create rectangle or close plugin, and all these APIs are you can access just with the global object. You don't need anything fancy for that. I think, yeah, and a little bit about a Notion. It's like as I said, you will need a Notion account. Just log into your account, and once you are logged in, you will get a token. I'm sorry, I can't show that here, but yeah, once you logged in, just go to these settings, and you should be able to find it. So, and yeah, create a database. So here you can just create a new database. You can customize it as per your requirements and all, and that should be fine. And yeah, for the integration purpose, you will need this ID, database ID. Sorry, not this one. This one, database ID. So just copy that, and sorry, I'm in my presentation. Yeah, and the demo last but nothing. But yeah, before that, I'll just explain a little bit. There are a few important things, which is first is a manifest.json file in the Figma file. It is like it just has few things which are it just gives you the information about your plugin, but the important is the UI. Whatever the file you have kind of configured here, that would be rendered first. Like in my case, it's the UI.html. So yeah, whenever I do the npm run watch and I'm running the plugin, I am getting this little form, which is this simple 4 line of code, this one. And yeah, but first this Figma.show UI. Show UI is nothing but the plugin API, which is accessed by the Figma global object. And yeah, you have to interact with this form. So I am putting my database ID, and once I hit the get data, this code would be this code will run. It's like Figma is contacting with the this, sorry, not this one. Notion, which is like I am calling the Notion API here, which is the query API. I have the example. I mean, I have wrote the one lambda function, so it has secret, so I won't share that. But yeah, the basic code is simple. This simple API function. This is the Notion database query API. It has a required payload, which is the database ID. And as of now, like for this demo, I am just getting all the data, whatever is available, and just creating a template with that. But yeah, you can sort this. Also, you can filter this. I mean, there are multiple APIs available in the Notion as well. There are all the CURD operations are possible. All the like pages, database, user, comments, everything is possible with these APIs. So yeah, this is the template that I have created for this demo. So this data comes from the my another account, which is this one. So yeah, you can see that this label, this text, and the roll up there, these are the types of data. And as of now, I am just creating a template only with the labels and the text. Yeah, so that was all. That was all about my demo. Any questions or anything? Okay, thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thanks a lot, Shweta.